We had a surprise from my sister. This is her reaction. Text said meet in family room after church.
It said she was here.
You were tracking her?
Yeah, I track her all the time.
Wow.
To make sure that she's safe.
All right.
I like the green suit.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
I want you to know that we love you.
We love you so much.
We love you more than you know. We all love you.
Do not hug your dad. Why are you hugging Daddy? Why are you hugging Daddy? Like, wait, let me say what I gotta say. Why let me say what I gotta say, Sydney? I know you feel like that sometimes because your siblings are annoying, but they're always asking and begging, and you know what I'm saying? We always bailing them out and doing all the things, but we have not forgotten you, and so we wanted you to know that we have something special just for you that is yours, and we love you so much. I have to turn this here because she won't let go of her daddy. Okay, Simone. Oh, Sid!
Delete us one more time.
Ethan, come back.
Ethan.
No, here, Sid. Get the dog. Come here. Sebastian. Super strong.
Listen, Mama, I can't breathe.
She got to get her dog. She ain't grabbed her dog yet.
Oh, I love you so much. I know they're annoying, but this is for you. We didn't even name her. So you have to name her.
You have to name her.
She is the